I just wanted to be normal.
Chainsaw Man.
What?
I doubt anyone doesn't know his name. He slices through devils all by himself with a chainsaw on his head. He doesn't reveal his true identity, doesn't seek any reward. You get that? I'm not talking about some comic book superhero here. He gets knocked down over and over, but in the end, he always gets back up. This is the story of Chainsaw Man.
Chainsaw Man? Isn't that me? Huh? Oh, they want me. They all want me.
Shut up already.
The truth is, I'm bored of bread and jam for breakfast. I want to eat steak every morning. I know it's not good. I get it's terrible, but I don't want a girlfriend. I want 5, no, 10 of them. I want to have so much sex. So that's why I want to be Chainsaw Man.
Drugs.